Hello once again from the beautiful beaches of Las Ballenas. I'm Stephen Hattie with GoDominicanLife.com and LasArenasLife.com. Today we're going to bring you on a tour, a quick aerial tour. It's a project of 7 villas being built. They've just begun. 4 are already sold, only 3 remain. So this is from a well-established European builder, developer. They're beautiful villas. I've seen the past work. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, over 3,000 square feet of total construction, starting at $570,000. These are absolutely fantastic. I can assure you they will turn out beautiful. Let's go have a look at them. Hey, so as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. We will be having updates as build progresses, and also we will have new listings always coming online. So looking forward to seeing you here in Las Ballenas very soon. Bye for now.